I spread my wings. The world below me, it softly sings. With every beat I'm free to fly, chasing the winds way up high. I'm a bird flying high, so free. Sky's my playground, endless sea. Gliding through clouds, wild and clear. Nothing to lose, nothing to fear. Mountains and rivers fade beneath. Over green meadows, whispers breathe. Under the sun and moonlight shine. Freedom's a friend that's truly mine.